Over the years, I've been able to generate over $100 million online across dozens of different online businesses. The truth is, not all business models are created equally, and I've spent tens of millions of dollars to learn which ones worked and which ones didn't. And if you ask me which 5 business models were the most profitable, if you were starting with 0, then I'd have to pick the following 5 business models. This is for those of you who are just getting started and you want to start something new. Listen carefully. We'll dive in and I'll show you step by step. Here we go. Method number 1 is something that a lot of people talk about, the world of ebooks. They're a fantastic way to make money online. If you were starting off today, I know some people might think that that's an old method, maybe it doesn't work anymore, and let me tell you, that is not the case. And the first reason I like ebooks is that the margins are incredibly high. You make a book once. By the time you sell your second and third and fourth copy, and then from then on, it's like free. So it's almost 100% profit. Now let's take a look at this case study. This 20-year-old kid makes $1 million a year selling ebooks written by ChatGPT. This is a case study here, courtesy of Capital Mindset, that they've published on their blog. In just 1 year, his company generated over $930,000. And he's doing nothing but writing ebooks, and he's using AI to do it. This is something that literally anyone can do, and he's living proof of how profitable this model still is. Selling ebooks, as proven by that case study, are wildly profitable. Now, the second reason that I like to sell ebooks is in this age of AI. They are super easy to produce. And as you saw in this example, that's what he did. He used AI to help him write his ebooks to the tune of nearly $1 million in revenue for his business. You might get intimidated by the thought of writing an ebook or writing a book. Don't worry, with AI, it's not that hard at all. In fact, our college student friend made almost $1 million just with his ChatGPT business. And he says that it only took him just a few hours to make a single ebook. So you could come home from work and you might bang out a high quality ebook that you could sell with ChatGPT and launch your first business online. It is completely realistic that you could do that. Now, moving on, method number 2, and this is probably my favorite. This is selling online courses. Now, courses have been an enormous revenue stream in my own company for many years. This is across many different companies, different niche markets that I have been in. We sell courses in almost all of them, and they're one of the main profit centers across all my different businesses. And I've made tens of millions of dollars producing and promoting my own online courses. Let me show you another example. So this is courtesy of Growth in Reverse, another site that publishes case studies. So this is Miss Excel, and she's making over $2 million a year selling simple courses on how to use Microsoft Excel. Now think about that. That is such a boring, bland topic, how to use a spreadsheet. And she is making $2 million a year with very simple courses that literally anyone could make with a little bit of research. And with the help of AI, it's easier than ever to make your own profitable course like this. This is a moment where I can talk a little bit about one of my own products. So I have an entire product that will build you a digital course business like that. You just log in, answer a couple of questions, and it can build you a business like the one that Miss Excel used to make over $2 million a year. You don't have to be an expert at anything in order to do this. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be a marketing genius. All you need to do is be interested in helping people solve problems and achieve goals in any niche market. You log in, answer a couple of questions, and it builds the whole business. It registers your domain name. It sets up your website, publishes your course, creates your sales materials, writes your emails, makes video lessons, audio lessons, and so much more. And of course, I'm talking about PushButton AI. That is my very own product. And I encourage you to get a demo. Jump on Zoom with one of my team members and you'll see how simple, in a matter of moments, an entire business can come to life. And they'll do that for you on Zoom Live. And for checking out the platform and going through a demo, they'll be happy to give you a marketing plan complimentary. So they'll actually create a custom marketing plan just for you to help you launch your next business, all as saying thanks for doing a demo with us. So to do that, head over to pushbutton.ai/demo. That's pushbutton.ai/demo. Register for your free demo. Make sure you go all the way through to the end and book your appointment in the calendar in order to get that. So now let's move on. Method number 3, and that is growing an email newsletter. Now, again, one of the other methods that I use routinely in my own businesses here, and I think it's one of the most valuable digital assets that you can build in the modern age, and that is an email newsletter. I can tell you my email list, where I send newsletters and send content to, makes the lion's share of the profit in my businesses. And people are growing and selling email newsletters in under a year. I've seen this where someone will set up an email newsletter and they'll use a service like Beehive or something like that. They'll drive subscribers and in as little as a year, turn that into an asset that is worth millions of dollars. In fact, that's exactly what Milk Road did. So again, this one here, a case study from Beehive. So Beehive is an email newsletter platform, and they went from 0 subscribers to being acquired for millions of dollars in just 10 months. So they built an incredibly valuable asset by building a subscriber newsletter. That newsletter itself is an asset. This was a cryptocurrency newsletter. So it was founded in 2021. And in just 10 months, they grew it to 250,000 subscribers, and they walked away with millions of dollars when someone bought it from them. Now, I love email because it's very easy to monetize compared to other channels. And I know people get really excited about things like Facebook Messenger and Instagram and WhatsApp and all the channels that you have to communicate with customers today. I find that email is the most lucrative. And I think people make the fatal mistake to think that email is something that's old. And boy, let me tell you, email is highly profitable. Now, as an example, I know that I can expect to make at least $1 every single month for every subscriber I have on my list. You start driving thousands and thousands of subscribers, so you start adding that up. Imagine how much money that you could make with your own newsletter. How many thousands of subscribers could you get? Method number 4, and that is a paid community. This is something that's a real big trend right now, thanks largely to school. So if you've heard of Sam Ovens and Alex Hormozy, two sort of celebrity sort of status marketers in our space, they are launching something called School, and they're really pumping it up. You're hearing a lot of hype about communities, and especially paid communities. I can tell you that they are highly profitable. The beauty of this model is that you only need to acquire a customer once, and they'll continue to pay you month after month after month like clockwork. An example of this trend is Drew Riley. Again, courtesy of Growth in Reverse, and this is a $500,000 a year business built in just 3 short years. And this is a paid community that was able to scale up to $500,000 annually in just 3 years. Now, inside of Trends.vc, this is where Drew shares weekly reports on different business models and how to start them. So he offers exclusive content, resources, and access to the community of like-minded people. So you get to have discussions and share what's working and get advice from the other members of the community, along with the valuable content he's sharing in the community. And then by doing so, he's created a valuable service that his members are happy to pay to get ongoing access to that paid community. Number 5, again, another very popular one and something that I am a huge fan of. I use this in several different ways, and that is with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you get paid to promote somebody else's offer. Now, there are really 2 sides to this because you can also recruit affiliates to promote your stuff. So it's a 2-way exchange. You can work either side. So either you can be the offer owner and affiliates send you traffic, or the other way around, you can be the affiliate. You send the offer owner traffic and you get paid. It's a win-win for both parties. It's something that I actually do on both sides. I have affiliates promoting me and I promote affiliates. and it's very lucrative for me. And so the main ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing is first to be that person that's promoting an offer that's not yours. This is especially interesting to people that are newer. Maybe you don't have a business yet. Maybe you don't even know exactly what kind of business that you want to start. You can start as an affiliate. You can promote other people's stuff and you get paid a commission when you help them make a sale. Now, this is a decent way to make money, especially if you're just getting started. Now, let me show you an example of someone making over $200,000 a month just as an affiliate. So that's Jordan. And Jordan made a free course all about drop shipping. So that's selling physical products that aren't yours on the internet. This is what drop shipping is. And he created an entire course and he filled that course with affiliate links to all the different tools that you need to dropship. Obviously, you might have Shopify or different plugins and themes and tools that you need to build the business model. And so whenever somebody clicked on those links and bought those tools, Jordan gets a commission. And so far, it's made him millions of dollars. Now, it's possible to make a lot of money just like Jordan, but my favorite way is the other side of this. That is to be the offer owner and to get affiliates to promote you. And I think a lot of people are intimidated by this and they think that it's difficult. It's really not. So I prefer the second way as the offer owner. Now, I've made tens of millions of dollars creating offers and having affiliates promote those offers for me. The beauty of being the offer owner is when the affiliates promote you, you are capturing that customer. That customer then builds a relationship with you. They go on your mailing list and you can sell them more and more and more stuff. And the beauty is when you can actually work both sides. So often I'm the offer owner and I have affiliates promoting my products. They send me customers, they send me subscribers, and then over time, I promote other people's stuff to my subscribers. So let's say that I have a friend or I find a person that has a really great software solution to help people drive traffic, but it's not mine. Well, I promote it to my customers, and then when my customers buy, I get paid a commission. In fact, I'm doing that this evening. So this evening, I'm holding a webinar for somebody that I'm promoting his offer, and I will make a commission if any of my customers and my followers buy that product. Now, it's a great webinar. He's going to deliver some awesome content and provide a lot of value to my community. And then I can get a commission if anybody decides to buy. That's an example of kind of working both sides. I've taken my customer list. I'm promoting his offer on a webinar this evening. Everybody wins. In the long run, you should be working both sides of this. Of course, get started as an affiliate. That's the quickest, that's the easiest. And then if you're a PushButton AI customer, we actually can help you set up your own offer. And we even have all of the affiliate tools and software and tracking tools pre-installed on the businesses that we build for you that will track your affiliate sales and help you make money as the offer owner and not just the affiliate. We're going to move on, and I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you got any value from it, make sure down below you hit the subscribe button, smash that like button. And if you have any questions or any comments about affiliate marketing in general, drop those down below. I'll drop in and do my best to answer all your questions. And with that, we shall see you next time. Bye for now. So for those of you who are not yet a PushButton AI customer, then you need to check this out. And all you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/demo, pushbutton.ai/demo, and you can get a live one-on-one appointment to get on Zoom and see this powerful technology in action. And with PushButton AI, it will build an entire business from bottom to top. Everything you need, from your domain name to your logo to videos to audio lessons, an entire course that you can sell as your own, a 30-day email sequence that it writes. You can send a daily email for 30 days, all written by AI, and a whole lot more. It writes your sales page. If you're not sure how to write an expert sales page to convince people to buy stuff, it writes it for you. It writes a free report that you can give away to get subscribers to your list. It even creates and writes the opt-in subscription page to get people to subscribe to get the free report. And it goes on and on and on. It even writes your first 10 blog posts for you, and it can do so much more. Social media posts, ads, All of these things are done, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions and push a button. Now, PushButton AI is not available to the public at the time of recording this video. And the only way to get in is by invite to our behind-the-scenes beta access. And during your live demo, we'll show you the technology. We'll actually work with you to actually map out an entire course that you could sell as your own. We'll outline the course with you together on the one-on-one Zoom call. And then if you so decide, if you're a good fit, you can come in, join our PushButton AI beta program, and be in business with that very course by the next day. Go to pushbutton.ai/demo to figure out if this powerful technology is right for you. You can register there. You'll book an appointment in the calendar. Be sure you show up. Our team will be very excited to meet you and show you how the tech works, outline your new course for you, and hopefully it's a fit and we can work together to launch your next